Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Carrier air conditioner remote control. This is the on off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. Most people use the air conditioner for cooling purposes. For this reason, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button again, and when the snowflake icon on the screen stops in front of the word cool, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. It is not recommended to set the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius, as it may cause us to get sick. We use the fan speed button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. If the fan noise in the bedroom bothers you, you can choose a low speed. We press the mode button again and see that the water drop symbol on the screen is in front of the dry wall. This is the drying mode of the air conditioner and is intended to reduce the humidity in the house. We switch to heating mode by pressing the mode button again. The sun symbol is in front of the word heat on the screen. This is heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor. The outdoor unit of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To do this, we press the fan speed button and the word auto appears on the screen. Additionally, it should be noted that in heating mode, the air conditioner will reach its normal power within 20-40 minutes depending on the air temperature. When you press the mode button again, you switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the set temperature. For example, let's say we set the air conditioner temperature to 25 degrees Celsius in this mode. In this case, if the temperature in the room drops below this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it rises above it, it will operate in cooling mode. Now I will explain how to use the buttons under the remote control cover. These two swing buttons are designed to control the air conditioner's blinds. Horizontal blinds are controlled by this, and vertical blinds by this swing button. The air direction button is used to change the air direction. To set the air conditioner's clock, press and hold the clock button for 5 seconds, and when the clock starts flashing, use the temperature button to set the hour and then clock button again to set the minutes. Like that. After we press, you need press the OK button to confirm. The echo button is designed to save electricity. But here we can talk about a small saving. There are two timer buttons here, timer on button and timer off button. Timer on designed to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time. For example, let's say we go to work at 8 a.m. and we want our air conditioner to turn on at 6 p.m. So we need to set the timer on to 10 hours. For this, we press the timer on button while the air conditioner is in standby mode and set it to 10 hours and press the OK button to confirm. To cancel this mode, we press the same button and reset the indicator. Or we lie down in bed and we want the air conditioner to turn off after 6 hours. For this, we press the timer off button and set it to 6 hours and press the OK button to confirm. To cancel this button, we press the same button and reset the indicator. This air conditioner has three more buttons that can be pressed with a needle. The reset button is used to reset the air conditioner's indicator to factory setting. Sometimes it happens that we don't want anyone to use the air conditioner remote control. When the lock button is pressed with the tip of a needle, all the buttons on the remote control are deactivated. To activate it again, you need to press the same button. There is another button here. Cool and heat button is for activating or deactivating the heating mode of the air conditioner. Now we press this button and as you will see, the heating mode is disappeared. We press the same button and we active the heating mode. Thank you for following us until the end.